In the following days, you will be taking the SMI test. On the day that you have the SMI test, you will go to the computer lab near Ms. Knapp's room. You will log into a computer, and you will double-click on the SMI icon that you see on the screen right now. If you have trouble logging into your computer, you will see me and I will help you. The next thing you'll do is a screen like this will pop up, and you'll click Go. At that point, you will have to log in using your username and password. Your username is your first and last name, all lowercase, with no spaces between. Your password is your cafeteria pin. Once you enter those, you will click Go On. And a screen like this will pop up. This screen is explaining to you that sometimes you will be allowed to use a calculator and or a formula sheet. They will look similar to this. This is the only calculator you are allowed to use on the SMI. You are not allowed to use the calculator that's on the computer already, and you are not allowed to use your personal calculator. The formula sheet, you are allowed to use it whenever the formula icon pops up. The same thing goes for your calculator. In order to close the screens, you will click the upper right-hand X that you see on the screen right now. The next thing you'll have to do is a typing test. It's key that you use the right-hand keypad, number keypad, in order to do your typing test and the rest of your test. In order for you to use that right-hand keypad, you need to turn your num lock on. If you don't know where your num lock button is, you will raise your hand and either I will help you or someone sitting next to you will help you. You will type the numbers in and you will hit Next. The next thing you will have to do is a fact quiz with addition and multiplication on it. Again, it's key that you use that right-hand keypad in order to do your fact quiz. This is part of your grade, so you need to answer these questions quickly and completely. You'll enter your answer using the right-hand keypad and hit Next. The same thing goes for the multiplication facts. For the practice questions, you'll figure out the answer to the question, you will select the correct answer, and you'll click Next. When you are complete, you will get a Q score. Okay, it's the 925Q. That's what you are going to need to tell me. You'll tell me by writing it down in your planner and bringing it up to me. You are not to do anything else until you write down your Q score and bring it to me. Then I will allow you to go back to your desk, close out your screen, log off your computer, and work on the given assignment. Some reminders for you. Everyone's assessment is going to be different. It all depends how you answer one question, what your next question will be. Some people will finish sooner than others. I have seen some people who scored very well finish first as well as finish last. Keep your eyes on your own computer because, again, everybody's tests are going to be different. If you don't know a word, raise your hand and I will come and help you. Use scrap paper when you need it. And once you click Next, you cannot go back to the previous screen. Some items will be easy, others will be very hard. You are not meant to know every single answer. We don't expect you to know all of the answers. We just ask that you do your best. If you don't know the answer, take your best guess and go on.